Alrighty, welcome back. And I just a quick video here to show you my latest purchase. And a friend of mine, colleague at work, said I wasn't supposed to buy anything new until I had finished other stuff. And I said, this isn't new. This is really, really old. And but this is one of the Pocher models that I have been wanting for a really long time. But every time I look for one on eBay, they go for well over 300 bucks. And I got this for about 145, so less than half of what they normally go for. So I got it, and here it is. So let's take a look at it, and I'll show you some stuff. And spoiler alert, it is not complete. Now the seller said that he didn't know if it was complete or not. I forget his exact verbiage, but I think he said something like it's probably not complete, or somebody's been in it. I think that's what he said. Somebody's been in it, and look at the photos carefully because it may not be complete. And I do have a viewing of all of the metal pieces. And I'll tell you that I know already that I am missing all of these pieces right here. There's 8 of those and 8 of those. I'm missing all of those. I'm missing those. And I'm missing, well, basically all of these. I'm missing all of these. I'm missing, I think, all of these. All, if not all of those, or most, if not all of those. I'm pretty sure I'm missing all of those. And most or all of those. And I think basically all I have is most of this stuff here. And all of these metal pieces are just kind of floating around loose in the bottom of the box. But I think I've got these and not those. So yeah, and those right there, those are the spokes of the wheels, I think. And I'm pretty sure those are the wheel spokes. If those are not the wheel spokes, I do know I am missing the wheel spokes. I have all the other pieces for the wheels, like I have all the little spoke nipples and the rings and the things like that. But oh, and anyways, one other reason why I'm doing this video is because if any of you have this kit but partial, or if you have pieces that you would like to sell me, please hit me up. Go to my website. I'll try to remember to put a link in the description. But anyways, go to my website. There's a thing that says contact me, and let me know what you have, if anything, and we'll see if we can work out a deal. Ideally, if somebody has a partial kit where you have all the pieces I don't have and you don't have all the pieces I do have, you know, I'll buy the whole thing for me. Keeping in mind that I did not buy a complete kit for 350 bucks because I didn't want to spend that much money. Because I don't know if I've said it before, but I am a little bit cheap. Now, when I look at these instructions, there's something that looks a little off with them. This is, I don't know if this is the actual instructions or not. This almost seems like a quick overview or just an exploded view. And I know that's how Pocher does their instructions. This is similar to the Mercedes that I did, but my point is, on the Mercedes instructions, the manual was a lot bigger and the pictures were a lot bigger, and they had more than just a number. It was like a group of numbers. So this almost does not seem like the complete instruction set. I don't know what this is. I mean, it's kind of instruction-ish. You know, they do show you where all the parts go, and they show you how to build the wheels. So maybe this is the instructions. However, if you go to Model Motor Car's website, and this is the last page, and they don't show the fenders at all. So I don't know. They don't show the fenders, which I don't even know if I'm going to use the fenders. But another reason why I'm not sure if this is the complete instructions, because they're not showing everything in here, and it seems smaller, the instructions. But anyways, as I was saying, if you go to Model Motor Car's website, you can download the instructions for the car. And when you download the instructions, they look like what I was expecting. Bigger pictures with more complete part numbers, and they show the fenders, and they show how the fenders go on. So I'm not exactly sure what's up with that. If anybody knows, let me know. Let's see. And then we have this. I don't remember what this is. some kind of instruction thing that I'm not going to read right now. And trash. And this from Boyd Models. This is something else. I have no idea what Boyd Models is. When you look at the box lid, it says Boyd Models. They're in California. This is kind of like, it almost looks like supplemental instructions for the engine. And the previous owner, if you go through here, it's listing all of the engine parts and things are checked off. So I don't know what this is really. I mean, I haven't read the entire thing. But it almost looks like supplemental instructions. So is that just another company that wrote their own instructions to help buyers out? I have no clue, no idea. But that was $2, it looks like. Yes, supplemental instructions. So maybe they sell supplemental instructions for $2. I don't know. That kind of makes me wonder if that was $2 well spent or not. But I'll read it sometime, not right now. And then we have the stickers, which Pocher stickers are kind of garbage, but there they are. And a wall poster to frame and hang on your ceiling. And there it is. And there's a lot of these little foam strips. Now somebody was in here. They started the hood panels. And I'm pretty sure the real car, that's supposed to be hinged here as well. So I'm thinking I'm going to break that apart and put another hinge on there so that part hinges, because I'm pretty sure it's supposed to. I'll do some more looking online. But if anybody knows, again, let me know. But I'm pretty sure that's supposed to be hinged right there. And for some reason, it has an extra set of fenders. I have a complete set of fenders here, still in a package. And there's another set of fenders right here. So I have no idea why I have two sets of fenders, but there they are. I have the chassis. I have the cockpit tub here. I have other parts of the body. Got the front there. Springs, well, plastic springs. The tires, the metal rings, some metal pieces. There are a few pieces under here and more foam padding. And steering wheel. And that tree, which has been stripped clean except for about 2 or 3 pieces. Looks like 4 pieces. And that tree, which has been stripped clean. And that tree, which has a couple of pieces left on it. And then here's all my wheel pieces down in here. And some cross members and stuff. And some clear parts. And those are all wheel pieces down in there. But yeah, that's it. So yeah, it is my fault for not studying the pictures on the eBay listing properly. If I would have realized that there weren't any engine pieces in here. Now I did find a seller on eBay who has an engine block with about 5 or 6 other pieces for it. I think it's all the intake side for the engine block. I bought that. That was like $30. But you can buy, I have found on eBay, like individual bags of all the metal parts. If we take a look at this again, I can get that bag of parts for about $25. I can get that bag of parts for about $25. Same with all of those. But that would be $25, $50, $75, $100, $125. So another $125 just for this. If I, just kind of pick and choose all those pieces like that, I'm going to, be paying twice what I did for the kit, almost. Well, maybe not. But maybe that's what I should do, is just buy the individual bags for 20 or $25 each. But like I said, if any of you have anything and you can help me out for less than that, I would give you verbal thanks in the next video. Well, the next video that I do of this. Like I said, I'm not sure when I'm going to be starting this. I've got other things that I need to do first. For example, I got the Jaguar. I got the Honda 750. And I don't know if I've showed this on this channel yet or not, but if you look right in there, look right there, I got a Fiat. I really want to strip that apart and rebuild the Fiat. That'll be another video. And I've got boxes and boxes and boxes of kits. I would like to do this after the Fiat maybe, but I got to start collecting some parts. So anyways, I'm going to stop now because I've been rambling on way too long, and I want to get back to work on the speeder bike. So as always, until next time, thanks for watching.